Let's students, we are continuing our topic, that is global poverty scenario. As I told you in my previous video, that according to the World Bank, if a person not earn less than $1.92 per day, that is a poor person. Okay, so here, although there has been a substantial reduction in global poverty, एक reduction भी हुई है हमारी global poverty पे, it is marked with the great regional differences. Poverty declined substantially in China and Southeast Asian countries as a result of rapid economic growth. Poverty is declining in these countries, in China and Southeast Asian countries. Why? Because of the rapid economic growth or the massive investment in human resource development. But still, number of poor in China has came down from 88.3% in 1981 to 14.7% in 2008 to 1.9% in 2013. Just see the data. In 1981, there is 88.3% people are poor in China. But now in 2013, only 1.9% people are here, those are poor in China. It is same in the country like South Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bangladesh. Declining has also been rapid. यहाँ पर भी declining क्या है? Rapid है. हम फास्टली जो है वो पॉवर्टी को रिमूव करने में सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं. Now this is 54 to 15%, means our rapid decline is 54 to 15%. Despite declining in the percentage of the poor, the number of poor has declined significantly from 44% to 17% in 2013. 44% कौन से ईयर में थे? 1990 में. और 17% कितने कौन से ईयर में रह गए? 2013 में. It shows the rapid decline in poverty in our country also. But still, we have the countries like sub-Saharan African countries. Their poverty remains same. Poverty in fact rose from 54%. अब यहाँ पर rose हुई है. From 54% in 1990 to 41% in 2013. In Latin America, the ratio of poverty has also declining from 16% to 5.4% in 2013. Poverty has also resurfaced in some of the former socialist countries like Russia. यहाँ पर भी poverty में changes आए हैं. ठीक है. And here the proportion of people living under poverty in different countries as defined as the international poverty line. International poverty line के according, this is the proportion of people that is in the different countries. ये डाटा जो है आपके पास, ये जो चार्ट हैं आपके पास, ग्राफ जो है, ये टोटली पॉवर्टी रेशियो को दिखा रहे हैं कि कैसे डिक्लाइन होता जा रहा है इन दीज कंट्रीज लाइक इन चाइना, साउथ ईस्ट पैसिफिक ओशियन कंट्रीज एंड साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज, सब सहारन अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज. ठीक है. तो ये हमारे पॉवर्टी सिनेरियो को दिखा रहा है एट द वर्ल्ड लेवल. वी कैन सी बट स्टिल नाउ अभी भी सब सहारन अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज में स्टिल द लेवल ऑफ पॉवर्टी इज हाई. एज वी कैन सी here is 41% people are here, those are poor. Okay, so this is very much high level of poverty as compared to the other countries. अगर हम अदर कंट्रीज के कंपैरिजन पे चले तो जो अफ्रीकन कंट्री हैं, जो सब सहारन अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज हैं, यहाँ पर पॉवर्टी लेवल अभी भी हाई है. एंड नाउ द गवर्नमेंट must have to be do efforts to reduce poverty in these countries also. This is the duty of the World Bank also. Okay, so now here the next topic is the causes of poverty. But today I am not discussing this causes of poverty and what are the measures taken by the government to remove the poverty. We will discuss both this topic in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you.